Richard, MACH is not far away. What are
Yes.
Sodi-Tech going to be showing?
So we're going to have wire cut, return and burn. That's a really exciting application. It's going to be quite intricate,
What
small
is
wire.
that, turn and burn?
So you've got a rotary axis on the side of the machine and it's continuously spinning. So basically EDM turning rather than on a lathe, which is great for harder materials, complex shapes, really small radiuses, and awkward materials to machine. So that will be interesting.
Okay, and what else?
So we've got plastic injection molding machines on there. Again, we've got great visibility in the market now, so we've decided to put another plastic injection molder on the stand. Come and see us, come and talk to us about the applications, and we're gaining really good traction in that field this year.
You've got quite a big presence at the event, haven't you? And it's
Yes.
quite close to the entrance, I believe. So
Yeah.
probably the second biggest stand there, or certainly one of the biggest stands there.
Definitely. We've got a great floor area. We can show off the machines. There's a lot of meeting space so people can sit and have a chat, talk to us. And as you said, we're right by the main door. So come in, get your pass, come and see us.
And so it will be wire, you'll have cut, you'll also have the injection molding machines there. How many machines in total are you
So we've
actually?
got 6 on display. We've also got milling as well, so high-speed milling. We've got a really nice finished product on there with 2 different material types. So that'll be interesting for people that are looking at injection mold tools and
Hard metal machining?
yeah, hard metal machining, and also the medical industry. Great machine for different.
And this is the
applications.
UX, I guess, is it?
Yes, it is. Yeah.
I remember last time a nice little beer tap on the stand too. Is that going to be there?
Yeah, we are going to have beer on the stand. So yeah, come and see us when you're a bit weary in the afternoon and have a cheeky chat with us and a drink. It'll be good.
And we'll be on your stand on the Tuesday. So
Yes.
we'll also be broadcasting from the Sodi-Tech stand during the week. So you'll be able to watch the action live as it unfolds. But of course, we want you to go to MACH 2026. And when you're there, you should be visiting the guys from Sodi-Tech. Look forward to seeing you there, Richard.
Yeah, great to see you.